Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Samurai Teacher. My name is Shihab here back with another exciting video. Today we have something really cool to show you, the Yahboom G1 tank. So what makes this tank even more exciting is that it's powered by Raspberry Pi board, turning into a versatile and powerful robot. I'm going to take you through each part of this tank and explain what it does. Okay, let's dive in. Here's the box for the Yahboom G1 Smart Robot Tank. This is for the Raspberry Pi. You can see they mentioned Raspberry Pi for Arduino. So this one is for Raspberry Pi. So probably they have for Arduino, but for me I got for Raspberry Pi. Now you can see in the front, nothing fancy, just black and white. There's a logo and the images, and this side there logo and the tutorial link, and all the way back and all the sides. That's nothing much. Normally Yahboom or whatever the robot car kits come with a cool design box, but this Yahboom G1 Smart Robot Car just a standalone cardboard box, nothing fancy. So I believe they try to cut it down the cost for the boxes. So that's fine if you get a good product. Now, nothing much to show in the box, so let's jump in and see what's inside. Okay, now I'm going to open the box. This side comes up, and I'm going to put it like this and see what's inside. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you the manual. So they have the manual already in the box. Normally these days some of other robot kits, they doesn't send you a manual because they try to cut it down everything, like box, these manuals, and we normally go to the website and see the instructions. Sometimes I don't want to go to a website and see the instruction. I won't have a manual and assemble, so I take my eyes from the computer and do the necessary configuration and assemble stuff. So it's good to have. So they have all the instructions inside, so I'm going to put that. And next one is the chassis. So we have one chassis, nice one, good quality. The next one is the breakout board. You can see it came with the seal. I just broke the seal. Now this is the board. You can connect all your motors and all the equipment to this one. So because this one is going to connect your Raspberry Pi. I'm going to give you a full explanation later. Now let's take it out everything one by one. Next we can see the battery pack. My goodness, this is cool because they are giving you a battery pack with the box, because sometimes you need to purchase separately. That's a headache, to find out the quality battery and stuff. So they sending us the batteries. This is very valuable. Thank you Yahboom, sending everything in one box. Now let's see what is this. Oh, this is the camera. Let me see what's inside. How's the camera? Okay, seems like we have a USB camera, and let me see, camera server. Okay, so you can see this is the camera, USB camera. So this, I'm trying to find out the brand name. So AX3841, I see the number. I don't see, probably they are the one manufacturing this camera, probably, because I don't see any other names. This is not for like Raspberry Pi camera. This is from Yahboom. You can see nice looking camera, but once we configure we need to test it out and see how this camera going to work and see all this quality. I'm going to put that in a side. Next, I'm going to open this box. You can see I don't see any information. You can see DC 5.5, or probably this is the battery charger. I'm going to open this. Yes, we have the battery charger for this, so we can connect like this and charge the battery, and this is the other port. Connect your I believe this board. You can see this board connect like this and give the power. Still we have some kind of power. You can see it's turned on, and I'm going to take that one out, put that back. So it's good to while you unboxing, probably it's good to put the charger, so you have while you unboxing you can charge your battery. I'm going to put the box away. Next, so what is this is so everything is sealed. Time to open. Okay, just open. Seems like I have some kind of so we have servo motors, 1 and 2 servo motors in here. You can see. So package, I'm going to put this one back, and we have some servo motors brackets. You can see some brackets in the other one. So I'm going to take it out, just so I don't want to lose everything, so the small stuff. So this is another package comes with, and what is this is the screws. Yes, so we have some everything screws. You know what, I'm going to put it in the same bag, so I know I'm not going to waste my time when the time comes to assemble. So keep in one bag, just came with, so leave it like that. You know what, I'm going to put this one too in this box like this. Now next is you know what, I'm going to take this box. This is another box without name, and I'm going to open this. Okay, so we have all the sensors and everything. So we have a module. So we have one module in the box, so like it's kind of Bluetooth module. So I'm going to put this away in here, but I'm going to put it back into this box. And we have a HD camera cable. So we have another, actually it's not HD camera cable, it's kind of RGB. Yeah, you can see R3, R2, R1. So like a cable. So once we assemble, we can find out. And we have ultrasonic sensor. Wow, it's big. It's not like usual. I'm looking at some kind of ultrasonic sensor. It's kind of very like a customized for Yahboom. I want to take it out and see actually, because I have few ultrasonic sensors. it's not like that, it's just a default one, but this one is very professional. You can see this, it's very professional, well built quality. I mean, I feel it, well built quality. I'm going to put this one back. Actually, I want to show you this one too, so you can get some idea. Let me take this one out. Okay, so this is RGB module. I'm going to put this one back. Okay, next is, I believe this is the one I was referring to early, HD camera module. No, it's not HD camera module. It's like 4 channel, 1 2 3 4 channel tracking module, I believe. Yeah, tracing sensor. So this is like a this is a tracking module. So you can see, I mean, the parts are very customized for Yahboom. So these parts not like you can buy from other vendors. These are well made for only for the Yahboom. We have another motor. We have all the nuts and bolts in here. Going to put that one. Wow, look at this. So driving wheels. So we have all the driving wheels. Oh my goodness, very well made. You can see, well made. I mean, when you feel it, when you touch, you can feel this. It's not like plastic stuff. Well made. So there's 2 motors, very heavy. So GA25370 DC 6 watt, 300 rpm, the same one, 300 rpm. So 2 300 rpm motors. I'm going to put this one back, and I'm going to put all these stuff back in. So once we going to do the assemble part, is easy to identify. Next, I'm going to see there's another nuts. I'm going to put that here. So we have the track. So this is the track we're going to use for the tank. We have 2 tracks. Nice. And we have, they send us a screwdriver. I mean, like, I like the big ones, not like small ones. It's very hard to grab. So this one is good, pretty cool. So you have all the tools you want. And this is some clips. Put that away. Some 3M stickers and some cables. And you have the chassis, the top chassis. So that's all. I don't see anything else. So that's all now. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to assemble. Okay, first let's start with the overall design. The Yahboom G1 tank is track vehicle platform, which means it moves on continuous tracks rather than wheels. This gives it excellent mobility over rough terrain and makes it perfect for various robotic projects. So these are the tracks. They provide great traction and stability. The tracks are driven by motors that are connected to the main board, which we'll look at next. So here we have the motors that have the that drive the tank. So these motors are connected to a motor driver, which is controlled by the main control board. The motor driver is responsible for sending the right amount of power to each motor to control the speed and direction of the tank. Okay, now we're going to see the heart of this robot kit. Okay, heart of the robot. So now, because I already screwed this, I'm going to take it out so I can show you. So you can see a clear picture of the heart of the robot. So they screw. Actually, you can adjust the screws. There's a good thing about this robot. Also, there's a the part which I don't like. So we're going to talk about all this stuff in a bit. I'm going to take it out the main board so I can explain you each part. Let me take it out. It's not okay. So you have 4 screws to unscrew. Okay, so so 1 screw still there. Okay, I took out the cables and stuff. Now you can see in the top I have my Raspberry Pi board, and the down under the Raspberry Pi board is the Yahboom main controller board. Now this is the heart of the robot, the Raspberry Pi board. This compact and powerful computer runs the software that controls the tank. The Raspberry Pi handles all the processing, from taking inputs from sensors to controlling the motors and other peripherals. So if you take a closer look, the Raspberry Pi is connected to the Yahboom controller board from this cable. I screw in here 4 screws, and the Yahboom controller board connected to from these cable pins. So Yahboom control board, which act as an interface between the Raspberry Pi and the motors, sensors, and other components. This setup allows to leverage the power and flexibility of the Raspberry Pi to control the tank. Okay, now speaking of the sensors, Yahboom G Tank can be equipped with a variety of sensors. Here we have an ultrasonic sensors for distance measurement, which helps the tank navigate and avoid obstacles. We can also add infrared sensors, cameras, and more depending on what we want our tank to do. Now speaking of sensors, you can see this is the infrared sensor in here. So these sensors are used for line tracking and detecting the edge of surfaces, which is crucial for precise navigation. So also detect all the colors. So this robot comes with option to automatically detect any color, red or anything. So track the color and follow the line color. And we have the Bluetooth module in here. You can see. Let me go turn around. This module allows for wireless communication between the tank and smartphone or computer, enabling remote control and data transfer. You have DOF servo motors in the camera and here too. So these motors control the movement of the camera and other components, allowing precise adjustment of aiming. So we have the camera module here. The camera allows the tank to capture videos and images, enabling images perform tasks like object recognition and surveillance. So this come with a USB camera, okay, and as I told you, we have ultrasonic sensor in here. So this board, good board. Now next thing is the battery, the power. The powering all of this robust system, we have a rechargeable battery pack that provides the necessary power to the motors and the control boards. It's important to ensure that your tank has a reliable power source to keep it running smoothly. So the Yahboom come with the battery pack, so that's fine. That battery pack is powering all your stuff like Raspberry Pi board and all this equipment. Now I just turn it on and I'm going to show you the mobile app. Okay, now next I'm going to get my phone. I'm going to install the app. Yahboom. So you can see this is the app you need to install, Yahboom Robot, and I'm going to install. For some reason iPad having issue with the camera. Now before we install the app, you follow the guideline in the Yahboom. You need to download the image and install the image to the SD card and put it to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, that's all you need to do. The image you need to download and put to the copy to the SD card and put it on. You don't need to configure anything. Okay, now open this. Now app is opening. Now you select the smart car option. You can see smart car and you say G1 tank. I'm going to click the G1 tank. In here you want to allow Bluetooth, success, and now in here control. So if you click control, you can go forward, backward, turn the other way, okay, turn this way, right and left, so everything looks good. Go forward, go backward, and here you can change the lights. You can see the infrared lights. You can change to red, green, blue, or you can off. Okay, you can change the colors in here, options. Change to red, maybe green. Yep, good. So that's all. I mean, this is the one you can do it. Now if you go back, if you go to mod, okay, now in here color searchlight, so you have an option. So when it's click this, it will search for color lights, and if you want to tracking or if you want obstacles avoidance, so this robot give you everything to play with around with this option. Now if you want to see the camera, this is the thing I want to talk about, and I don't like the part. If you go to Raspberry Pi, now you don't see the camera because now this is only connecting through Bluetooth, so now you don't see it. The thing is, you need to connect to their Wi-Fi. I will show you, then you able to see the camera. Now I don't like that part because I want to keep my Wi-Fi. I'm going to close this because I want to keep my Wi-Fi and connect to via the Bluetooth, so see the camera. But this is not letting me to see the camera, so I need to go to the Wi-Fi and I need to click Yahboom tank. You can see, so you need to connect to the Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi in the board, then I'm able to access the camera. I can see the camera. So I'm going to open the app again. And I'm going to mod. I'm going to Raspberry Pi control. You can see now I see the camera. Now in here, so now even if you connect the Wi-Fi, you still need to connect to the Bluetooth. Otherwise, you're not able to operate this car. The first thing I don't like is I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. I mean, if you don't have any issues, that's fine then. Okay. So you can change the robot camera to any angle. You can see. So you can change 360 degrees the camera, and then you can forward the camera, forward the tank. Now the other thing is the camera is too close. I mean, if you like this, it's not wide angle, so it's too close to me, so I cannot see anything. If I can see the plate or the ultrasonic sensor, then I can get a feel I'm driving. Now this is very hard for me to see, because if I look this side, just in case if I want to come back again and go forward, I don't know which side I'm going. So I need to come like this and see me, but I don't see anything else. So if I go down, see how I mean, that's the thing. I mean, I don't like the camera, how this setup. If you want to play around, that's fine. I mean, it's good. It's good. The robot, and you can see the camera, and it's very powerful. I don't like the Raspberry Pi, the image. I cannot do anything else. They come with all the configuration. You just put it in. That's all you need to do. You cannot do anything else. You can play around. The camera, I wish we have a different camera. Maybe I didn't test it, but if you can put an ultra wide camera, so I can see whole picture, because this camera is too close to me. That's why I don't like it. And even to see the camera, I need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I don't like that. I mean, I need to use my own Wi-Fi. Then I can use my Bluetooth and able to see it. But for some reason, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Probably maybe the video quality, to get the video quality. Maybe that's why. Maybe when I connect to the Bluetooth, maybe we cannot see the video quality. That's why, who knows. So this is how you need to play with around this robot. I want to say in my next video, I'm going to do some testing. I'm going to show you what we can do with this robot. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video.